today I decided to go to the Just for Laughs festival, which, if you don't know what that is, basically the Just for Laughs festival is a festival held every July in Montreal, which holds some of the best comedians around the world, and it lasts all throughout the month, and it's a really fun festival, and yeah, you should go. Or do something at least. Just, I see you sitting there. Fucking lazy. So I'm going to be going with my best friend, who you will see later on in this video because she is not with me right now, obviously. And yeah, here's some footage. Hi! Hi! Oh my god, it's really close to your face. Where are we right now?
Just for Laughs festival. Look, there's a man who's lost.
Yeah, he's pretty lost.
At a different time.
I'm not being weird. Who this? What? Shut up. Look at the clouds. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So what are you gonna do right now?
I'm gonna do this if the line isn't like 85 years long.
This looks like fun. Are you game? Fuck. Look at these children. Oh, this guy's blocking my view. Look at that girl. Work it, hun. Poop life. It's so dark. I can't even see you.
Shocking.
Look at this. You're just like a pair of eyes. Oh my god, that's crazy. You're eating a pizza right now. And I have a slushie.
I'd like to clarify there's not an entire pizza.
No, it's a whole
I'm eating
pizza.
a piece. Hearts and then like diamonds.
So that was our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you did. And yeah, you know that comment thing where you type things and then it makes words? Do that. I'll see you guys next week.